Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making a fried chicken sandwich. You will need 2 chicken breasts, 4 brioche buns, 1/4 cup of pickle juice, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 cups of buttermilk, and canola oil for frying. For the coleslaw, you will need 4 cups of cabbage, 1 carrot, 1/4 cup of parsley, 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ground mustard, 1 teaspoon of celery seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Fillet the chicken breast, then place it in a plastic bag and marinate with the pickle juice, hot sauce, and 1 teaspoon of the kosher salt. Refrigerate and allow it to sit for at least 1 hour. To make the dressing, combine the mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, ground mustard, salt, pepper, and celery seeds and mix well. In a separate bowl, combine the cabbage, carrot, and parsley. Now add the dressing and mix well. Combine the salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and smoked paprika, then divide it into half. Use 1/2 of the seasoning to season the chicken and the other to season the flour. Coat the chicken with the flour, then place it in the buttermilk, then again in the flour. Preheat the oil to 350 degrees, then fry the chicken for 8 minutes or until it has an internal temperature of 170 degrees. Remove the chicken from the oil, then place it on a paper towel, then it is ready to serve. This chicken sandwich is crispy on the outside and flavorful on the inside. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great steps made for you.